Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open an on-screen keyboard on your Windows 11 computer or Windows 10. This is very easy to do. Let's go on down to the Start menu and open this up. Then go on over to Settings. Now under here, let's go on down to Accessibility. Select this. Then scroll on down until we get to Keyboard, which is under Interaction. So let's choose Keyboard. Now go to on-screen keyboard, access key, and print screen. Then go to on-screen keyboard right here, and then turn this on. Now it says press the Windows logo plus Control plus O to turn on-screen keyboard on or off. So here's the on-screen keyboard, and that's the shortcut. So let's press Window button, Control, and O, and this will turn on and off real quick. So this is what the on-screen keyboard looks like. So with this now, we can press certain keys on the keyboard. Then we have access to like the home, page up, navigate, insert button if we want to turn off the overtyping mode. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.